So we're putting spindles. Is it spindles? Is it? We put the spindles on. Now we're just putting.
Now we're just putting the longer ones on because your tires, the way that they are, this won't sit on it right. So these.
Okay, I think it's going. Oh my god, it's so it's not that cold out and there's still like this. Yeah. You getting such? I shouldn't have. You had the motivation, kind of.
Well, I can hold temperature for a long time. Be careful.
I'm just gonna. Is it still going? Oh, I forgot that was going. Oh my god. Whatever the hedgehog's name is, I hate him. Cause wait, did the hedgehog see a shadow or not? I don't remember.
Are you gonna?
I started.
All the things you bought, that's your favorite. Okay. something like that. Like, I don't know, just something.
I really don't want to, make it as little as possible.
I want to connect the GoPro to my four-wheeler, but I don't think Sarah wants me to do it. So, follow or like.
Sissy. Being weird.
I'm talking. Do you know it's pause?
Shouldn't be.
Oh, you know what else I was thinking, Abby?
No red. What?
They got those other steering wheels that are go around like a car steering wheel. They're a little bit flatter, so.
I just push that in and get on there. The taxes.
So they got those new steering wheels out there for about